Well, today I'm going to do another video tour of the Central Rock Gym. Hang on, hang out. Let's check it out. Ooh, look at that. Much different than the last time we were here. Walls are up. Yeah, it's a little noisy. Up. Yeah, boring through to the studs. Let's see. I think, Joe?
Hey.
How you doing? I'm going to just walk around for a bit and
go
take
for
a look
it.
at things. All right, I'll much different perspective than when I was here last. We have lots of activity going on. Everything is concreted. Those guys are drilling through to the holds so they can get the bolts into the holes. So here's the bouldering area. This looks steep. That is what you'd call an impressive top out. Yeah, kinda. Look at these walls. You really can't get a very good impression of how tall this is from me standing down here. Maybe that man lift basket gives you some clue. But it's really, really nicely tall. Up the stairs, shall we? The walk off to the bouldering area. Much nicer than it was last time. The bouldering area top out. Get a nice look at all the. Oh, those walls actually have some holes in them. We'll have to go check that out. Everything looks really good. Up here, this is one of the. Up here on the top of the bouldering area. The fabulous man lift basket. It looks really good here. Yeah. Excellent. What he's doing right there is drilling out the concrete so they can actually get to the bolts that are in the wall. Looks really nice. Much different than the last time I was here. Much different. Now let's take a walk down and look at this. Go explore some more. They actually have ropes up. They actually have some ropes up here. Now ordinarily, you would come to a climbing gym and see a wall this high and say, oh, that's pretty cool. Until you look out here and you see all this, which looks way more cool. This is substantial. This is going to be a substantial gym. It already is. There's some of the holds they have. Very odd. Oh, I recognize that hold right there. I have one of those on my home wall, only it's white and blue and white. This looks great.
It's going to be pretty sweet.